guys, good morning. So today I'm gonna have like a junkyard vlog style video for you guys today. So follow me on the journey. We're gonna go see if they have anything new coming in the yard. So let's go. On my way right now, I'm gonna go and pick up Raj. So got our tool bag right now and we're about to be on our way. So gonna jump in the truck, start it up, and hit the road right now. It's still cold, as you can see. There's snow still on the road, so nothing changes yet. So I'm not going to the New Haven. I'm not going to the New Haven location. I think we're gonna go to the Southington. Yeah, as I was saying, we're going to the Southington Junkyard today, all the way up the road. So it's like a little more far driving. So let's go right now and head out. We're gonna go pick up Raj and hit the road. All right, so catch you guys. We're gonna be driving now, so let's go. Alright, so we're back again on the road right now. Go pick up Logic's performance because he's gonna follow me go to the junkyard today, and we're gonna also look some stuff. And as I said, remember, Logic have something but very, very important right now, and Logic's gonna be in the game. So I'm not trying to talk on what's going on with him right now, but I'm gonna have him do that himself in a separate video. But Logic's is about to be outside this year, you know. So let's go pick him up right now, and we're gonna head to the junkyard and gonna see what we can find today. All right, so don't remember, red top performance. All right, be outside. So alright guys, so I did pull up on Logic's right now. So Logic's is here at the direction he told me to come, so pause and that. We're gonna take back that. Alright, so we're here right now. We're gonna get some gas in the car, and bro, look at the price for gas right now, man. Look at that. Look at the price for gas. And see that? Logic's always have the coconut water. So Logic's,
yeah.
what are you planning for today?
Get some parts today. Check out the engine. Yeah. Outside.
Outside. Alright, so we hear from the man himself. So right about now, we're gonna get some gas put in the car. And I guess the direction was right, because a while ago he never gave me a address for the location. He actually gave me direction, like he think this is Jamaica or something. Go over the bridge, take a right, I'm gonna be at the gas station. And it was actually accurate, so that was good. And right about now, get some gas like I said, and we're gonna head out. So we're gonna hit the road right now. So Logic's, come here.
Yeah.
Pause. So I was trying to give the audience a little bit of hint of what to become. I keep on saying that word, but I don't know why. Pause again. But
what
I keep
forward.
Yeah, forward. What to forward this year.
Yeah.
So I keep on giving them a little bit of hint.
Yeah.
I don't want to talk too much on what you got forwarding, but give them a little bit of hint. You understand me?
Yeah.
We now tell them right now, you know.
Yeah,
we're gonna keep them for the supper the video for that, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's get some gas and head out.
Alright.
Alright? We're good. You know, I don't know everything we're going right now because I have to keep some certain things on the low. You understand me? Because we got big plans. I think the Honda section is over here. I don't know if they have anything we need today. So let's go check out. When I come over here, basically looking for anything to do with transmission. Right about now, everything over here look like They all ox out so far already. So, you know. Come on, brother. There, man. Try look one transmission there, man. You see it? Look at that, fine.
Everything there, man.
Yeah, you can get the power one already too.
Eh? I don't have to come.
Not there, man. Yeah. I'll have to look for your K series or something.
Auto?
No, manual.
No, you can't go find.
Now, find it on show.
So easy.
So easy.
So easy, car. The shark, them eat them.
Yeah, she shot them, come on, us running on them, don't you? Alright, watch your face. Yeah, man, I take a walk still, you know? God damn it. Nothing. Mostly, the Kate when they force them for the card I see. A lot of single cam stuff like that. So, let's keep walking. This place is huge. Like when I say huge, it's a very big yard. So we got a lot of walking to do today. But it's all by section though. They section it up, they keep all the cars them together. Like Honda car is always over here. The BMW in one section is basically organized, so it's not hard to go through. I'm still walking, checking. Basically most of the automatic stuff. Show you guys what's going on for the regular day, you know? I feel with life. It's basically car people. People like crazy. Yeah. Let's see one. Let's try show no guys what's going on here today. Amount of cars they have over here. So I don't see nothing so far. I'm just walking, looking. I don't see nothing. Not a thing, bro. And nowadays I keep on seeing that they mix up. They have the Hondas mix up with all other cars too. So. Because I see Hondas over here, and I also see Hondas over here too. This is actually a B series. Yo, Pastor, I don't see nothing, bro. The place clean. Bro, I go through the whole Honda section over here, and I don't see nothing. But this is not where they're gonna keep like the Volkswagen stuff, right? Yeah, so that's we have to go to the German section. Oh yes, yeah, T6, yeah, bro. Raj, this is what you want, Raj. This fucking engine you want right here. 05 still can work, but how we gonna know if the engine is good or not? This right here is a TSX K24, and these are actually one of the engines that we use. So it don't look like the body of the car. How is the body of the car? It look like it coming here for a different problem. So we always try to look at the body of the car to see if it was like an accident problem or it was an engine problem. And we also see an element here too. This element is what? Automatic. But I guarantee have on that diff. Diff is actually under there. Yeah, it is all-wheel drive. Yeah, you have a diff too. Yeah. They're not gonna cancel it for no mad money.
Yeah, fuck.
I'm bring tool for that. Somebody try to get that power steers right here. Yeah, but Logics, this one you want to do, the engine, yeah. This engine could be perfect if it go send to go get rebuilt, if we take it out, like if we take out this engine right now, we're not losing.
So we get it back.
Yeah,
How is
this
this?
is a TSX, bro. This is the engine room. Gonna have to come back for this. Look like it's leaking out a lot. As long as the crank and the block is good. That's the fucking engine, bro. You can't lose off this one. God, we're gonna actually get the rebuild anyway, so get it for cheap, rebuild it. So we find one so far. Alright, so let's mark this one and we're gonna have to come back for that. Maybe by tomorrow it's gone, so it's not a must. These bump. Bomba class, c'est des Jenna ya. C'est des Jenna ya. Bomba, I say yo, hold on there. Yes sir. You know some start. The little vlogging thing on name something there. So I'll go on, we are up man. And when I real Jenna this now. Yeah man.
We have to cut a Nissan Sentra engine.
You see it.
6-speed gearbox.
You see it.
Senegal yard.
Straight in the yard.
Straight yard.
Straight a yard.
Right, the fast there.
Yeah man, the whole of it there man. Yeah man. I want to Jenna this man.
Yeah, man, you have to do what you have to do.
You see it.
See, I just the engine
That's
with
standard,
G.
yeah, that's standard. 6 speed, so that's everything.
Yo.
That's cool.
Who's gonna? I would just see one on us a while ago.
Don't take the one in the one.
Yo.
One.
The one no good.
Not good.
Yo.
Why you hear this?
It's a 40.
When I move to
Yo.
T6.
I want them when we look for right now, my G. What year?
It's a 6.
Oh, 6, that's
Oh,
it.
no, yeah, this is right, man. RBB 2 compound now.
You see, setting on my tell down my garage right here, bro.
RBB.
What I was telling you.
Yeah.
Stay to the RBB 3. RBB 2, bro. I told you. See,
You can sell it if you want. Sell it one if you want.
how much you
$8 bill.
So $8 must sell for. You can't do something better for me.
Eh?
You can't do something better for me.
Me just take it and it's check it in. Oh, when I call about miles and them, somebody can.
Give you a good price, but I take it off your hand, man.
Me don't ratch miles and them sitting by it. Check it in.
Oh, God. Raj, me tell you, call it. So what engine there? Okay. Yo. So you can, and that's what I'm telling you, so when you can look on the car, you can't know when they come here for accident or running. Yeah. You see it? Yeah, man. Accident immediate now. Yeah, it's solid. Engine good. Now I miss on this. Yeah, so I link up with one of the Jedi in the yard, yeah. So actually find what I come here for right now. So Raj, you have anything else? You have anything else planned? Logic's boss for right now. So right now, guys, we're gonna end this video right here. We're gonna grab that tire, go and pay for it, and then we're gonna lift off of here right now. So until next time, guys, peace. Alright guys, so right now at the last stage right now, taking out this BMW. What kind of engine you say is this?
It's an N20.
And what kind of engine you put it in?
2 days ago.
Alright, so yeah. What about this? This never get disconnect, yeah? Disconnect that real quick. See if we can go some more with it. You could call him when he's outside.
First VIP. Van Grong. You see, care for the Grong, my French.
Depot? Yeah, he's on the 4 wheels.
4 wheels. I play with you. Big logic, uncle.
So this one is almost on its way out. And I got all the space in the world to do that 2JZ swap. But I don't know, bro. This car come here. This car was running perfectly fine. When I say perfectly fine, it was perfectly fine. And the interior is clean. Got clean interior, no check engine light, no problem. Working AC, working everything. Why Logic's Performance choose to do this just for a JZ swap? I don't understand. You understand? But right about now, not playing no games over here.
Outside.
Who is this? Motorsports?
On Motorsport.
Who is Motorsports JA?
That's clear.
Motorsports JA spraying bicycle right now.
You mute, man.
Yes, sir. All right, so that's it right here for now. Gonna take this out, put on some dollies real quick.
Yeah, we'll be here, my dog.